because now the only thing that I am suggesting is that one does not, because of this too quick way of offering behavioral fixes to a deficit theories of the children's compensation for threatening, life-threatening difficulties that they have, to end up encouraging technologies that go in the way of enforcing what they are good at and fear so much. So touchless, being connected, and mediated touch is precisely the thing that they can do. They can do it beautifully. So in a way, I think it would be very nice, and I wonder what everybody thinks about this. It's nice to offer ways, for example, to let them unleash their imagination, but in ways that don't kill. They have, as you said, disorders in their sensory capability. So it's nice to use mediated touch, but which kind of mediated touch can they help actually use these hidden capabilities that kill them if they would go full speed? I'm sorry, I'm a bit too long, but there is just too much of a fad on this autism and technology, and there is a good reason for it, because the children relate better to things that are not alive, and so I just would like to have everybody's opinion on this question on the panel.
Okay, I'm just going to reframe that a little bit. And thank you very much for raising what I actually think is an extremely important point, which is to see these children as neurally diverse and not as disabled in any way. They just have different skills and abilities. And so does anyone want to comment on that? So the idea is basically looking at their strengths, and also when they have an area that's challenging, it may be challenging for a reason, and so forcing them into that place of fear is maybe not the best strategy. So any comments?
Yeah, I agree with Edith that, I agree with Edith. I don't need to repeat her words. I think that, it's important to help them bypass some of their problems. Another neurotherapist we work with, she said, you cannot, autism cannot be curated. You need to help, you have to have children to bypass their difficulties and put them in the condition of using their deficit as a strength in some situation, or not to be too much affected in their behavior. So that is, I think, a key point, a key philosophy. On the other hand, what we understood, see that they're objectively, they are strange